Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about modem. Now friends, a modulator demodulator or simply a modem is a hardware device that converts data from a digital format intended for communication directly between devices with specialized wiring into one suitable for a transmission medium such as telephone lines or radio. A modem modulates one or more carrier wave signals to encode digital information for transmission and demodulates signals to decode the transmitted information. The goal is to produce a signal that can be transmitted easily and decoded reliably to reproduce the original digital data. Acoustic coupler modem, that is a acoustic coupler modem. Then modem can be used with almost any means of transmitting analog signals from light emitting diodes to radio. A common type of modems is one that turns the digital data of a computer into a modulated electrical signal for transmission over telephone lines to be demodulated by another modem at the receiver side to recover the digital data. Now we are discuss about the different types of modem. There are many different types of modem and the one of you will depend on the exact needs of your network. The first type of modem is external modem. An external modem is a standalone modem that does not contain a router. It can but is rarely attached directly to a computer via USB, Ethernet or sometimes Wi-Fi. Usually it will be attached to a separate router so you can share your connection with multiple network modes around the home or office. The another types of modem is router or modem combo. A router modem combo is a modem that is contained within a router which allows multiple computer devices to connect within one network. It is a fairly common technology nowadays as it means networks don't need a separate modem and router. The another type of modem is integrated modem. An integrated modem is a modem that is contained within a computer, usually by USB or as a PCI card. As most people have a range of computers and devices, they want to connect to the internet. This type of modem isn't really used anymore as it only allows the one computer to connect to the internet. And the fourth type of modem is cable as well as DSL as well as fiber or dial-up modems as well as integrated and external modems. Routers can also be categorized by the type of service you use to connect to the internet. These are cable, DSL, fiber and dial-up modems. Most common are cable and DSL. Although if you live in a area with fiber optic access, this can is really speed up your internet. Okay, thank you very much.